Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. As you know, we are doing the chapter 14 fraction, and today I am just going to tell you the addition and the subtraction of the fraction. This is very important topic which will make your calculation very easy, not only in this class but in further classes also. So just understand very attentively. Got it? So suppose two fractions are given like 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 5, and we have to add these fractions. I have already told in the previous video that I told you how to arrange the fraction by taking the LCM. Same thing we will do it here. Okay, just pay attention to here. 4 and 5, these both are the denominator. Okay, so we will take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of denominator. You need not to write, I am just writing it to make you understand. Okay, so 4 and 5. What will be the LCM of the 4 and 5? 20. Okay, when you will find the LCM by the method which I told you, so you will find the LCM of the 4 and 5 will be 20. Got? We will find the LCM of the denominator only. Now after taking the LCM, we will divide this 20 by 4 and by 5 one by one. First of all, we will divide this 20 by this 4. When we will divide this 20 by 4, we will get the 5. 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20 होते हैं. So we have got the 5. 4 5s are. Now we will multiply this 5 by this 3. ओके, 4 के ऊपर जो नंबर न्यूमरेटर होता है उससे उसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. Got? Okay, now we will divide this 20 by this 5. ठीक है, 5 4s are 20. If you will read the table, then you will get that 5 4s are 20 होते. Now we will multiply this 4 by this numerator which is written above the 5. Okay, ऊपर वाले नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Then 4 2s are 8. Got? Now if there is the plus sign, then you will write the plus. If there is the minus sign, then you will write the minus. Got? And rest of the process will remain same. Now what you have to do? 15 and 8, 23, and denominator 20. Now you have got 23 upon 20. If your fraction is improper, you can see here this is the improper fraction, means 23 is greater than 20, means numerator denominator से बड़ा है. In this case you will just change the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So what you will get? 21 the 20 and this 3. Okay, got it? You will get the 1 whole 3 upon 20. So this is your final answer. Now we will talk about this fraction where the minus sign is there, means we have to subtract. Same thing we have to do except the sign. We will take the LCM of 4 and 5. What will be the LCM of 4 and 5? That is the 20. Now we will divide this 20 first of all by this 4. 4 5s are 20 and then 5 3s are 15. ऊपर वाले नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, and whatever the question we will get, we will multiply by the numerator and we will write it here. Okay, got? Now this minus sign is there, so we will put the minus. Now we will divide this 20 by the 5. 5 4s are 20. Now 4 2s are 8. We will write it here. Now what will come? 20 will remain same. 15 minus 8, that is the 7. Now this is the proper fraction, so it cannot be changed into the mixed fraction. So this is your final answer. Got everyone? So this is the process of addition and subtraction of two fractions. There may be two fractions, 3 or 5, whatever fraction can be given to you to add or subtract. Now we just come to the exercise 14C. Okay, so I will tell you some questions from this exercise. Just pay attention to here and keep on understanding. First question is saying, the first part of the question, 1 whole 3 by 4 and 3 upon 8. These two fractions are there, we have to add. Means 1 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 upon 8. We have to add this, so we have put the sign of addition because the question is saying you have to add. Now here both the fraction are there, proper fraction are there. Here the proper fraction are there, but here two fraction are there and one of them is the mixed fraction. So in this case you will just convert it into the fraction, improper fraction. Okay, 4 1 the 4 and 3, 7 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8 will remain same because it is already a fraction, proper fraction. Now we have got the same value like this, means we have got the fraction, there is no mixed fraction is there. Now how we will add it? Again we will take the LCM of the denominator. Again we will take the LCM of denominator. What will be the LCM of 4 and 8? That will be the 8. Okay, I told you the short method to take the LCM verbally. Do you remember? I told you whenever the two values are there, which LCM you have to take, so you will see just the greater number, 4 and 8, which is the greater 8. So you will read the table of the 8. 8 1 the 8. 8 come in the table of the 4. क्या 8 4 के टेबल में आता है? Yes, आता है. Then 8 is the LCM of 4 and 8. Okay. Now we will divide this 8 by 4. 4 2 is 8. Now we will multiply this 2 by this 7. 4 2 7 is 14. Now the sign of plus. Now 8 1 is 8. 1 3 is 3. Now you have got the 17 upon 8. This is the improper fraction, so you will change it into the mixed fraction. 8 2 is 16 and 1 17. This is your answer. Got it? Now second part I am just telling you. Pay attention to here. Here the three fractions are there, 2 by 5, comma 2 whole 3 by 15 and 7 upon 10. We have to add these three fractions. So I told you wheresoever you will find the mixed fraction, then in first step you will just change into the improper fraction. 2 by 5 will remain same. Okay, then plus you will change it into the improper fraction. 15 to the 30 and 30 and 3 33 upon 15 plus 7 upon 10 will remain same. In first step we have just changed the mixed fraction. Now in second step we will take the LCM of the denominator, 5 15 and 10. We will take the LCM of these. So again I will just tell you that you will just take the LCM verbally. I told you that you will see the greatest number. Which is the greatest number among them? 5 15 and 10, 15. So you will read the table of the 15. 15 1 is 15. Okay, does the 15 come in the table of the 5? Yes. Does the 15 come in the table of 10? No. So 15 will not be the LCM of these three numbers, 5 15 and 10. Okay, 15 to the 30. 30 come in the table of 5? Yes. 30 come in the table of 10? Yes. Means 30, 5, 15 and 10 तीनों के टेबल में आता है, then 30 will be the LCM. Okay, now we will divide this 30 by 5, 15 and 10 one by one. So 5 6 is 30. Okay, and 6 2 is 12 plus whatever sign will be there you have to put that. Now 15 2 is 30 and 2 into 33 66 plus 10 3 is 30 and 3 7 is 21. Now what you will do, you will just add numerator and denominator. Now 2 6 8 and 1 9 and 1 7 and this 9 and 30. As you can see, 99 upon 30 is divisible. Okay, so you will divide it by the 3. 3 tens are and 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, means 33 3s are 99. So you will get the 33 upon 10. This is the improper fraction, so you will change it into the mixed fraction. 10 3s are 30 and plus 3 means 3 whole 3 by 10 is your final answer. Got it? Now I am telling you the question number 2. Okay, the first part of question number 2. Here you have to subtract. The question is saying the 1 whole 11 by 12 minus 13 upon 16. This is the question. 1 whole 11 by 12 minus 13 upon 16. So you have to solve this. So again you have got the mixed fraction here, so you will change it into the improper fraction. So 12 on the 12 and 1 will be 23 upon 12. Okay. Now minus and 30 upon 16 will remain same. After that you will take the LCM of the denominator. What will be the LCM of 12 and 16? Which is the greater number? 16. So you will read the table of the 16. 16 1 is 16. 16, does the 16 come in the table of 12? No. 16 2 is 32. Does the 32 come in the table of 12? No. 16 3 is 48. Does the 48 come in the table of 12? Yes. 12 4 is 48. So 12 4 is 48. So 48 will be the LCM of 12 and 60. Got? Now you will divide this 48 by 12 and 16 one by one. 12 4 is 16. Now you will just multiply this 4 by 23. Got it? So what you will find? 4 3 is 12 and 4 2 is 8 1 9 minus. Now you will divide 48 by this 16. We are just dividing this 48 by 12 and 16 one by one. We have divided this 48 by the 12. We have got the 4. 12 4s and we just multiply this 4 by this 23 and we have got the 92. Now we will divide the 48 by the 16. 16 3 is 48 and 3 we will multiply this 3 by this 13. We will get the 39. Okay. Now what we will get after subtraction? 12 minus 9 3. Okay, what are the 8 minus 3? 5 upon 48. This is again we have got the what? Improper fraction. We will change it into the mixed fraction. 48 1 is 48. Okay, so what will add in that? 5. 48 and 5 53. So this is your final answer. Got it? Now third question I am just going to tell. Third question of 2. Okay. Now I will just do this question little bit fast. You will just try to understand. Now 2 whole 5 by 7 plus 3 whole 3 upon 14 sorry. 2 whole 5 by 7 plus 3 upon 14 and minus 13 upon 21. Got it? This is the question. Now what you have to do? First of all you will change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 7 2 is 14. 14 and 5 19 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14 minus 13 upon 21. Rest of the things will remain same. After that we will take the LCM of the denominator. Okay. So for LCM we will see which is the greater number. 21. We will read the table of the 21. 21 1 is 21. Does the 21 come in the table of 7? Yes. And in 14? No. So 21 will not be the LCM of this. 21 2s are 42. Does the 42 come in the table of the 7 and 14? Yes. 14 3s are 42 and 7 6s are. So 42 will be the LCM. Now we will divide this 42 by 7, 14 and 21 by 1 by 1. 7 6 and 6 19 114. Okay, plus 14 3 and 3 is 9, minus 21 2 and 2 into 13 26. Got it? We have just divided by this denominator and multiply the quotient by the numerator. Okay, now what we have to do? We will just add it, and whatever we will get, we will just subtract the 26 from that. So 140 and 9, 114 and 9, 123 minus 26 upon 42. Got it? Now we will subtract the 26 minus, we will just subtract the 26 by the 123. So we will get the 1997 upon 42. Okay. Now we will change it into the mixed fraction. This is the improper fraction. So 42 2 the 84, and 84, what will we add in the 84? That is the 13. So this is your answer, final answer. Got? Now I am just going to tell you the last question, that is the now I am just going to tell you the 7th question of question number 2. Just pay special attention to this question. Here 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 8 minus 3 whole 1 upon 6. Okay, this is given. So what you have to do? You will just change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. But one more thing is there, where the whole number is there, but that is the not fraction. So what you will do? You will just make this 4 fraction. How do you convert it into the fraction? I am just telling you. This is the 4. You will just put the 1 as a denominator below the 4. Okay, you will just draw the line and write the 1. Now it becomes the fraction, numerator and denominator. Got it? So wheresoever you will find the whole number, you can convert the whole number into fraction by writing the 1 below that whole number. Okay, so now it is the fraction. Plus, now you will convert it into the improper fraction. 8 is 24 and then 1 5 25. So 8 will remain same, and this is the 19 upon 6. Got it? Now we will take the LCM of the 1, 8 and 6. We will see which is the greater number, 1, 8, 6, 8. So we will read the table of 8 and see one by one which number come in the table of 3 of them, 1, 8 and 6. So what number is there which come in the table of 1, 8 and 6? So what is the number? That is the 48. Now we will divide this 48 by 1, 8 and 6 one by one. 1, 48 is 48. What you will get? 4 8 is 32 and 4 4 is 16 and 3 9 190. Okay, 192. Plus sign is there, so you will put the plus. When the minus sign is there, so you will write the minus. Now 8 6 is 48 and 6 25 is 150. Now minus sign is there, so you will put the minus. Now 6 8 and 8 19 is 19 8 is 152. Now you will add these two value because the plus sign is there, then after you will minus 152. So what you will get? You will get the 2 and 4 and 3. 142 minus 152 and 48 will remain same. Now again 48 will remain same. You just subtract it. 2 minus 2 0 and 14 minus this 19 and 2 minus 1. Okay, 190 upon 48. Now these two value, numerator and denominator, are divisible by the 2. So you will get the 24 and here you will get the 2 9s are 18 and 5s are got. So you have got the 95 upon 24. This is the improper fraction. So you will convert it into the mixed section. So 24 threes are 72, and 72 what should be added in that? That is the 23. Okay, so this is your final answer. Got it? So these were the question which I told you. I hope you must have understood all the question, and now I will just share some marked question in the 14C exercise that you have to do in the fail copy. Okay, so till then you just keep practice of all these questions and keep studying. Thank you.